Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone. And it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.